And entrepreneurs seem to be the biggest culprits when it comes to procrastination. And this is often because when you're your own boss, you decide what to do. You don't have somebody else setting the agenda for you. And that gives you a lot of freedom, but it's a double-edged sword because even though you're not being told what to do, it doesn't mean that there aren't things that have to be done. And if you put them off, you procrastinate, you can waste your whole day away, and your business can waste away and wither and die because you're not giving it the attention that it really needs. What are some of the major reasons why entrepreneurs procrastinate? Why is it that they put off making decisions, starting new projects, pursuing new business, or even finishing big projects that have an impact on more business for them? Well, let's take a look at some of the reasons why.